Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go here to the notification bar, and now as can you see, you got here all your icons. Now just here tap to the edit icon, and as can you see here all your available icons from your notification bar, and here you get the icons what you don't use at the moment. If you want, you can remove, for example, the dark mode here from the notification bar by this way. Just press for a second to the icon and drag it here. If you want to add, for example, I don't know, this icon to your notification bar, just repeat the action. Also, you can just change the position of your icons by the second way. Just drag your icon to the another one where you want to move that by this way. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.